Hello and welcome. Now today we are going to study business studies for class 11, and today I will be teaching you the first chapter, that is nature and purpose of business. So let's begin. See, human activities, or we can say that wherever humans are there, they need to perform some activities or other activities to satisfy their needs. Okay, and whatever these activities are there, they earn a livelihood. Okay, and which help them to get a psychological satisfaction. Now, whatever activities are performed by the human are known as human activities. Now, among these activities, you can say that some of them provide them direct earning, or some just provide them a personal satisfaction. Now, earning, you are going to office, you are going to work, so this will help you to earn some money. But when you are going to if you are going for jogging, okay, that provide you the satisfaction. Okay, if you are going to for gym, okay, then it's provide you the satisfaction, your personal satisfaction, and many more are there. Okay, so now we can decide, or we can, on behalf of this, we can say then the human activities are of different type. Okay, so I will tell you what are the different types of human activity. Let's see. Human types of human activity. First one, economic activities. Second, non-economic activities. Now we will go on these two activities one by one. First one, we will study about the economic activities. So now, economic activity, the activity which are undertaken by the people with the objective of earning money, that is known as economic activity. Now, this can be selling the goods in the market, selling of goods in the market. Okay, then you are going for a official work and you are earning money from there, then it is also an economic activity. So now we see how many types of economic activities are there. Now these are of three types. See, types of economic activities. First one, business. Second one, profession. Third one, employment. Okay, so these three economic activities are there: business, profession, and employment. So we will also go one by one on these topics. So first one, business. So now business. First of economic activities. Now activities which are connected with production, purchase, sales, or distribution of goods or services with the main objective of earning profit. Okay, that is called as business. So in which sales and purchase of goods and services are there with the motive of earning profit, that is known as business. For example, we can say fishing. Second, farming, manufacturing, then mining. So etc. Many more activities are there. Okay, even wholesale, retail, these are also come under the business purpose only. Sorry, business activity only. Now we move to the second one, that is your profession. So, profession, activities which requires special knowledge and skill. to be applied by the individual to earn a living. In that case, profession comes. Okay, for example, we can say lawyer. Lawyers, okay. Then what others? What can be other? Doctor. Then CAs, okay, etc. These are there. These persons have a special knowledge, and you can say financial advisors. Those who are working, they have a special knowledge. Okay, so that is why they are under profession. For this activity, they required a special knowledge and a skill to be applied by them. Then only they are able to earn their livelihood, or they earn their living. That is known as profession. Now, third point under the type of economic activities by the human is employment. Now, what is employment? Activities in which individual work regularly for another person and gets remunerated in return. Means in return, if you are working for somebody and in return he is paying you, then it is a employment. Okay. Now, in this, the person who is working for another person is known as employee. Known as employees. And the person, this another person is known as employer. Why? Because he has provided you the job. That is why. For example, we can say what can be person working in different offices. Now, salesmen, managers, clerks. So these people are they are employed by the another person, and they are working for them. Okay. So this was topic 2 for today. Now in the next video we will meet up with the non-economic activities. Till then, thank you.